this video, I'll show you step by step on how to install a new air filter in your Nissan Xterra. It's just kind of good practice to replace your air filter every year. It draws in all the outside air. If you live on a gravel road, you especially want to do it once a year. So I'll show you which one I like using. I'll put a link in the description below on how to get it off Amazon and have it show up at your doorstep in 1 to 2 days. If you've never done this before, plan on taking about 10-15 minutes to get the job complete. I've been using these Spearhead Max Thrust filters. They do have pretty good specifications and they are relatively inexpensive, especially if you're just going to replace these every year. It's not very much cost for a lot of added benefit for your engine. Now the air filter is located inside this air box and it is on the driver's side. You have a clip right here, a clip right here, and then you can simply lift up and reveal the air filter. Now to remove it, you just kind of hold the housing out of the way, lift up, pull this out, and then we'll get a vacuum cleaner just to make sure there's no debris inside the air box. Then we're going to install this air filter the same way the old one came out. This gasket is going to be on the top side. Now to put the airbox cover back on, there's 3 tabs along this edge, along with 3 slotted holes. You're just going to make sure that those fit down into there, and then we'll clip it shut. Alright, so I've double checked to make sure all my tabs are in place. And you just kind of got to twist it a little bit to get kind of things lined up and flush. Flip that clip up. This clip goes down. That's about all there is to it. That's all you need to do and this job is complete. Now if you live in a city where there's not much gravel road dust, there's not much dust from farmland, you can go 2 years, 24,000 miles easily. But this all depends on where you live. You know, if you live in Kansas where it's dusty a lot, change it every year. It's up to you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.